Okay, so to start off, I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel and I'm gonna moisturize my face very well. Then I'm going ahead with a sunscreen and I'm using the Neutrogena sunscreen, and then I'll be using it all over my face. It acts like a very good primer as well as a moisturizer and gives a very smooth finish to face. So I absolutely love this. Next, I'm going with a concealer, and this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to conceal my heavy dark circles. I'm also going all over my lid as well as towards my dark circles, and I'm just going to use my ring finger to blend it all because I feel that works perfectly for me. So I'm just concealing that. I'm also going a little bit towards my mouth and towards my forehead where I feel there is a little bit of darkness, and then I'm gonna set all of this with a Fit Me compact powder. Now there is no kind of any hyperpigmentation on my face, and usually I don't like to go for foundations for the day look, and even for the everyday purpose, but it was my birthday and I wanted to have like a little brightened look, so I'm using the Lakme Mousse foundation, the weightless mousse foundation in the shade Rose Honey, and I'm just going very little on those areas where I feel it needs a little bit of brightness, or a smooth finish, and then I'm just gonna set that. I'll blend that with my finger, and then I'm gonna set that with the Fit Me powder. My shade in the powder is light beige, and then coming on to my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'll be going just with two shades, that's the Suede and the other one is Cocoa, and I'm just going all over my lid with the shade Suede, and it's just going to cover all my lid. So from my crease to the area all over my lid, I'm just using that. You can have like a closer look, and that's the shade Sweat because it's a very close match to the dress I'd be wearing. It would be like a black and a grey dress, so I thought this would be a good shade. I'm not very pro at doing this, but I'm just applying that shade all over my lid, and I'll just blend it with a flat brush. Next, I'm going with the shade Cocoa, and I'll be using towards the outer crease area to give like that smoky kind of look. So with the shade Cocoa, I'm just going to blend it outwards so that there is a dual tone which is easily visible. Next, I'm going to take the same shade Cocoa, and I'll be going towards my lower lash line to give a very complete look to my eyes, and with any dry cloth I'm wiping the outer edges of my eyes so that doesn't look very dirty, at the same time looks very clean. Next, for my liner, I'm using the Lakme Insta liner. I've been using it for years now, and I'm just applying a very normal liner. There's nothing like a wing sort of or something, but it's a very simple plain liner because I think I've already made my eyes heavy, so I'm not doing much, but I'm just applying like a thin layer of liner. For my eyes, it goes very incomplete for me if I don't wear a kajal, so I am wearing a bold line kajal. It's not a very bold look, but like a bold waterline look. And you see my brows, I don't do my brows much, but it does not really complete my face when there is a little bit of makeup and my brows look pretty light. So I'm just taking a brush, and the same amount of residue shadow that was left, I'm taking that, and I'm just giving my brows a little bit of definition. And a quick hack that I'd be using that toward my bald areas where there is little less hair, I've lost hairs over there, and I'm just concealing that with the same shadow. Next up, I'm using my mascara. So I wanted to go for the Maybelline mascara, but I've been avoiding that because I get a lot of lash falls by using waterproof mascaras. So I'm just going with a normal mascara, a local based. And for my lips, I'm outlining my lips with the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. So it's like a brown brick lip liner, and I'm gonna fill my lips with my current favorite Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, and both of these would oxidize and turn into a very good shade later on. And then I'm just gonna apply that. I don't usually wear blush, but I have a wrong purchase of Maybelline's Nude Nuance, so I like to use that as a blush. It has not gone in vain for me. I love using this as a blush. So I'm just applying very little amount of it to give my face like a flushed look, because it looks all very flat. I don't like to go for like contouring or highlighting much, because it's a daytime look and I don't want to overdo anything. So yeah, that completes my look, and I'm all set with my face. I'm quickly gonna dress up. And there you go, I have changed into my birthday outfit. It's a simple tunic with a black and a grey combination, and I think the makeup that I've done is complementing that. For my accessories, I'm wearing a very small triangle ring that I got from Shein, and I did not want to go like very over with my accessories. And on my hands again, I'm wearing a very plain bracelet with Roman numerals on it, and this also I purchased from Shein. It's like a gold bracelet. It's not a gold bracelet, it just looks like that, and sadly Shein is no more. I also thought that I'd pair myself with a watch that I was gifted very recently by my sister, but it was oversized for me. I needed to get it fit, so I just avoided that. Also, I'd give like a special mention to this duo. It's the Body Twinkle Stones by Miniso in Rose Cloud. I absolutely love the smell, and this is what I was wearing all day. To be more exact, it smells like the Nike Blue for women. I just insert a picture somewhere, so it's very close smell to that, and I had used that so much. So this is what I was wearing all time, and I absolutely love the smell of this. And along with this, I was also wearing the fragrance this. These two have been like my current obsession when it comes to perfume. It's again from Miniso in Strawberry Champagne. It's their portable perfume, Joy portable perfume, so definitely check these two out. These are very good, very feminine, and at the same time very good. So definitely check these two out. These are like my current obsessions, and this is what I was wearing all day. For my bag, I was taking this small sling bag from Shein. It has like a nice charcoal grey chain, and it looks very elegant and classy, and I paired myself with this and a black bellies. I really hope you enjoyed watching this look. It's nothing very fancy. I have tried to include very affordable options mostly, and I hope it's very easy. I mean, I'm not a very pro at eyeshadows or something, but I just created this look and it was looking very good. Looks very different, like a very grey kind of look, and I like how this looks like. If you want to have like a closer look, and I just straightened my bangs, like these short hairs that I have, I just straightened them, and I was all set to go. And thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for giving your time. And if you really enjoyed watching, if you really learned something from it, do not forget to share it with your loved ones, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll come up with more exciting videos. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any kind of requests. I'll definitely do it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.